In this short video, we'll be reviewing adverbs. So an adverb is a word or phrase that modifies an adjective, verb, or another adverb. Let's take a look at some basic examples of adverbs. Of quickly, also, very, just, carefully. These are some basic adverbs. And in this column, we'll look at some academic examples of adverbs. So we have annually, economically, individually, specifically, and significantly. These are some academic adverbs. So you can see that the academic adverbs are a little bit maybe easier to remember because you just, for the most part, they follow the rule of adding ly to the end of the word. With the basic adverbs, they're a little bit more difficult to memorize because not all of them follow the rule of adding ly. Let's take a look at some example sentences here. We'll have 4 example sentences, and we want to figure out which word in each sentence is the adverb. So in the first sentence, we have the student has a very busy schedule this semester. So if we look at, we have the subject student, the verb has a very busy schedule. We have a noun phrase right here, schedule, busy is an adjective, and then before busy, we have very. Very is actually modifying busy. So very in this sentence is the adverb. If we look at the next sentence, he was carefully editing his writing. We can see that there's a ly adverb here, carefully, which is modifying the verb editing. She earns $200,000 annually. We have the ly adverb annually, and this is actually modifying the entire clause. And the last sentence we have, they did quite well on their exams. We have the adverb quite modifying the word well. So where do we find adverbs? If we look at these 3 sample sentences, we can come up with some rules. The first sentence, the students have just completed the extremely difficult exam. We have just, which comes before the main verb in the verb phrase, or right after the helping verb. And we also have extremely, which is right before an adjective. In the next sentence, we have she usually studies in the library. So we have an adverb here, adverb of frequency, modifying the verbs. And in the final sentence, he can often be found in the computer lab. We have the adverb often coming right after the modal auxiliary. So these are just some of the major places where we can find adverbs in a sentence.